Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. So this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way for you to be able to copy the file um, to a Cisco router or a Cisco switch. And also, aside from a Cisco device or a networking device, you can easily use it to copy files within any system. So now, in this demo, I'm going to show you how I was able to copy a file from my terminal, from my server, to a Cisco router. So in this, you can actually use the same concept to copy any other file as well. So for example, you want to upgrade your Cisco IOS version, or you want to put a file or a config file and all of that to your router. So let's follow me and let's dive in. So I have my router here. So this is my router and it's PE1 and DIR. Let me check what's in. So these are the content of the router. So I want to push the configuration file to this router. So I think we have network engineers usually use SFTP and they will need to start setting up SFTP server, the whole process of doing that. But I'm going to show you a simple hack or a simple command you can actually use to copy a file, and it's even more faster than using SFTP. So let me go to the server I want to use. So this is the server I want to use, and LS. I want to be able to copy this router CFG to my router. So the first thing you need to do is to ensure that you have Python installed. So once you confirm you have Python installed, so the next thing is you're going to use so make sure this command, make sure you run it in the folder where you have the file you want to upload to the router. So for example, now I'm actually in this. Let me check my directory. This is my current directory. So you need to run this command where you want to upload the file is currently located. So the command is python m3 -module http.server. So interesting. So have it here like that is running on port 8000. So this is my file is running on port 8000. So the next thing I'm going to do is, you can see that it's running on port 8000. So the next thing I'm going to do is I can just open a new terminal, IP addr. So this is the IP address of my server. So I can just copy it and confirm the port is running. It's running on port 8000. So then go to my router. This is where I have my router. So all I need to do is use the copy command, http, paste the IP. The port is 8000. And router.cfg. Where am I copying it to? I'm copying it to so you can actually choose where you actually want to copy it to, maybe Unix. So for example, my file system that I have on my DIR is Unix. So Unix. So I'm going to paste the command. This is the router configuration. Can you see? So fast. So fast. So if I do dir, I have the config here, router CFG. So this command actually is one of the simplest to, maybe you are finding it difficult to upload a file maybe from your local machine to your router, as far as there's a network reachability between the server where you have the http.server installed and where your router or your device, or for example, you want to upgrade your EPIC for your ACI or any other device in which you need to upload a file. Instead of using USB or using any other media tool, this simple command is going to help you to solve this problem. And I can see I was able to get a log that, okay, I was able to get the get request and the status is 200, which means it is perfectly okay. And it is very, very fast. The window size is actually bigger than other other process. So thank you for joining the session. If it's going to be useful for you, put on the like button, so follow more and share to other people as well. Thank you.